What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Lock Plus on your jailbroken iOS 10 device. For those of you that don't know what Lock Plus is, it's simply one of the best tweaks you can get for your lock screen. I did a lot of coverage of it back on iOS 9, and it's even better on iOS 10. So I'll quickly show you guys what Lock Plus is and what it does. So if we go to my lock screen, as you guys can see, I do have a theme enabled, the date and time, and I also have the current temperature of my location in the lower left there. So if we swipe from the right, it will reveal the Lock Plus menu. There's a few different options here. We'll just go to the View Themes. That's where you're going to be able to choose whatever lock screen theme you want to use. Now, within Lock Plus, there's probably a few hundred different themes to choose from. There is just a ton, and I mean a ton of different themes you can choose from for your lock screen, and there's some really cool stuff here. Mainly what it's going to do is change the date and the time. You'll also get the option of certain themes have weather widgets like this one right here. It shows your weather conditions and temperature, and it's really cool to be able to change the way your lock screen looks on the fly so easily. This is a very well polished and very well put together tweak, in my opinion. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to this theme here. So once you have found a theme you want to use, all you got to do is click on it. You'll see the little loading animation there. And then the wallpaper will pop up here, the wallpaper that the theme uses. So with this slider at the bottom here, you can slide to the right, and basically what it's going to do is add a blur effect to the wallpaper that comes with the theme. So if you want to use, the wallpaper, you can also edit the blur effect of it. If you don't want to use this wallpaper that comes with the theme, which I generally don't because I usually like to use my own wallpapers, all you gotta do is click on cancel. So we'll do that, and as you guys can see, it applied the theme without the wallpaper. So I got the time and then the date and all that, and then we'll go ahead and swipe it open again. I'll show you guys just how easily it is, or how easy it is to switch to another theme on the fly. We'll select this one, just let it load for a second here, and I'll actually set this wallpaper with it. Looks pretty nice. And you have the option here to set just the lock screen. You can even set your home screen to the same wallpaper as well, which is pretty cool. And then obviously the option there to set both. So I'll just do set lock screen. And then there you go, guys. So there is the new theme, which I just chose, enabled. So definitely a really cool tweak, allowing you to make your lock screen look pretty awesome and change it on the fly very, very easily. So now we're going to go ahead and jump into Cydia, and I'll show you guys how to get it. Alrighty, now once you guys are in Cydia, all you got to do is go to your sources, click on edit and add, and this is the source you'll need to add right here. I'll have it listed in the description so you guys can easily just copy and paste it into your Cydia. But go ahead and add this source. I've already added it, so I'm not going to. We'll click on done here. We'll go into the JunesiPhone super secret repo. We'll go to all packages, and then you're going to want to look up Lock Plus 10. This is the one that's been updated for iOS 10. Now, keep in mind, this repo is a paid repo, so you will have to purchase a login to gain access to everything found within the repo. So one thing you obviously get is Lock Plus. You also get access to a whole bunch of other really cool stuff within the repo, such as the color picker app, iDeviceMovies, just a whole bunch of stuff. So this is a paid repo. The way it works is when you come to a package for the first time, you'll swipe down and you'll see that you will need a username and passcode, and then below that is the spot where you're going to be able to purchase the repo. It is normally $10, but if you use my coupon code, which is iDeviceMovies, so the coupon code is the same name as my channel name here, it'll get you the repo for 50% off. It's only $5, and in my opinion, gaining access to everything within this repo for just $5 is definitely worth it. So again, like I said, once you come to the package, you'll see the username and password input. Below that is where you'll be able to put the coupon code in. So be sure to put in iDeviceMovies. And then above that, you will be able to go through the process of purchasing a login for the repo. Once you have your login purchased, you'll be able to input your username and passcode. And then after that, you will have access, like I said, to everything within the repo. So that is how that works. I'll back out here real quickly just to show you guys that this is everything that comes in the repo. There is just a ton of stuff. So like I said, for $5, it's not that bad of a purchase. Putting into consideration how much stuff you can actually use from this repo. So just a ton of stuff. So after you've downloaded Lock Plus, you will need one other package. You will need the Tweak Lock HTML4 installed as well. So once you've installed Lock Plus 10 and also Lock HTML4, all you got to do is go into your settings application, go to Lock HTML4, go to select widget, and as you guys can see, all you have to do is select on Lock Plus 10, and that's basically what will enable the tweak to work on the lock screen. So that is how you get Lock Plus 10 on iOS 10. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That really helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.